Hello friends, today we will solve a question of density. So the question says that when placed inside a liquid of density d1, a sphere sinks as shown in figure 1. When placed inside a liquid of density d2, the same sphere floats with half of its volume appearing above the liquid surface as shown in figure 2. Given that the density of sphere is d, if F1 and F2 are buoyant forces acting on the sphere in two situations 1 and 2 respectively, due to the two liquids, the ratio F1 upon F2 is equal to, we are asked the ratio of F1 and F2. Now, the force which the liquid provides is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by Archimedes' principle. So, the weight of the liquid displaced in the first diagram is equal to density is equal to mass upon volume. So, density is equal to mass upon volume. Now we are asked the ratio F1 upon F2. So the weight of the liquid displaced, weight of the liquid displaced is equal to mass multiplied by gravity, or the acceleration due to gravity. So the acceleration due to gravity, we will keep it as g because we are asked the ratio. And we will take the volume of the sphere as V. So in the first case, the upthrust provided by the liquid is equal to, so the mass of the liquid is equal to density into volume, or d1 into V. Multiplied by g is the buoyant force acting upwards on the sphere. In the second case, the density of the liquid is d2 multiplied by the volume of the liquid displaced is 1 by 2v, and we will multiply that by the gravitational constant. So the ratio of the forces is d1 into v into g upon d2 into 1 by 2v into g. We can cancel both the g's and both the v's, and then we will get 2d1 by d2. 2d1 by d2. But there is no choice like 2d1 by upon d2. We can see that a choice is d1 upon d and d1 upon d2. So we can cross the first choice d1 upon d2 because the ratio of the forces is 2d1 upon d2. We can cancel the second choice also because the ratio is 2d1 upon d2, not d1 upon 2d2. So we can cross the second question. In the third question, it is d1 upon d. We can see that because here we can see that since the sphere is floating, so the downward force acting on the sphere, which is put by the sphere, is equal to the upward force acting on the sphere. So we can equate this as mass into gravity. So let the mass of the sphere be density into volume. So dV is equal to 1 by 2v into d2 into g. So dV g into d into v is equal to 1 by 2v into d2 into g. We can cancel the g, and the d we cannot cancel, we can cancel. So we get 2D is equal to D2. So instead of D2 we can write 2D, and then we can cancel both the 2's, and then we get choice C as our correct option. Thank you. Have a nice day.